In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search description on Blogger. If you want your blog to look more polished in search results, adding a search description is a simple but important step. This description helps search engines understand what your blog is about, and it can also give readers a clearer preview before they click. In Blogger, this setting is quick to update once you know where to find it. To get started, log into your Blogger dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct blog if you manage more than one. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps many of the site-wide options for your blog, including the search description setting. After opening Settings, scroll until you find the meta tags section. In this area, you'll see the description option. This is the field that controls the search description for your blog. If it hasn't been enabled yet, click Edit and then choose Yes to turn it on. Enabling this option tells Blogger that you want to provide a custom description for search engines to use. Next, type a short summary of your blog. Keep it clear, direct, and relevant to the content of your site. Blogger allows up to 150 characters, so try to make every word count. A good description should quickly explain what visitors can expect from your blog without sounding too vague or overly stuffed with keywords. Think of it as a short introduction to your content. Once you've entered your description, click Save Changes. That's it. Your Blogger search description is now added. As a helpful tip, if you ever change your blog's focus or topics, it's a good idea to come back and update this description so it stays accurate. Also, keep in mind that while search engines often use this description, they may sometimes generate their own snippet depending on the search query. Even so, adding your own description is still a best practice, because it gives your blog a stronger foundation for visibility and organization. And that's all there is to it. By logging into your Blogger dashboard, opening Settings, finding the description option under meta tags, turning it on, writing a short summary, and saving your changes, you can quickly improve how your blog is presented in search.